Before we get started, I'm going to practice my vocalizations. Me, 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 me. If you're in jail, do not watch this program, because the truth will set you free. No animals were harmed in the making of this television program. We tried, but those toadfish were too damn tricky. Okay. My guest tonight is a professor from Union College studying predator-prey interactions between dolphins and toadfish. This is the Colbert Report. So, you're studying dolphins and fish?
Yeah, basically we're testing to see whether or not bottlenose dolphin vocalizations would affect the behavior of their prey, specifically male toadfish.
So dolphins are talking to the fish?
Well, no.
Are the fish reading the dolphins' minds?
No, they're eavesdropping on the dolphins and reducing their call rate to each other so that the dolphins can't hear them.
So the fish are outsmarting the dolphins? Is that what you're saying? Because I've been to SeaWorld. Those dolphins are swimming backwards through rings of fire, blindfolded. One of them even disproved Einstein's theory of relativity.
Well, no, they aren't outsmarting the dolphins, really. They've simply evolved this behavioral strategy to avoid predation by dolphins by recognizing their localization.
I'm sure you have some kind of evidence for this claim.
Yes, actually, we have a video clip from our experiment.
Okay, well, let's run a clip of these superfish you've discovered.
No, it is.
What is that? What is this?
It's a crab.
A series of shrimp pops to see if the toadfish would react to the low-frequency ambient sounds. In other words, the sounds that toadfish are used to hearing. Did you see Rock of Love last night?
What is that?
That's a shrimp.
In order to determine whether toadfish would respond to any type of dolphin communication, we played a series of high-pitched dolphin whistles to see if the toadfish would react to the vocalization dolphins use to speak with one another.
Did you see those pictures that came on Rihanna? Chris Brown totally deserves to go to jail.
What? I can barely hear. The dolphins are talking so loud. To test the last variable, we played a series of low-frequency dolphin pops along with the whistles to see if the toadfish would react to the dolphin noises that were used during feeding. Did you see who's in a relationship on Facebook?
Shh, the dolphins are coming in hungry.
As you can see, when they hear the dolphin popping, the toadfish almost immediately stop communicating with one another, so the dolphins can't determine where they are.
In addition to recording the toadfish call rate, we also extracted blood samples to test for stress hormone levels. We found that the cortisol levels in the fish's blood increased after hearing the dolphin popping.
Those cortisol levels look mighty high.
This shows a physiological response which results in behavioral change by the toadfish.
The toadfish can distinguish between the foraging pops of the dolphins and the ambient background noise, allowing the toadfish to hide from the hungry dolphins. Reduction in call rate by male toadfish during dolphin feeding reflects an evolutionary trade-off between the toadfish's ability to communicate with each other and reducing predation rates. Not only can this information be used to extrapolate about the relationship between these two species of vertebrates, but can also be used to describe the way in which organisms evolve particular traits, in this case hearing, as a result of various stress in the environment, including the danger of predator.
Oh, wow, those are sure some amazing fish you discovered there, Professor. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you for having me and sharing this amazing discovery.